Hi everyone, this is Wilson from placesandfoods.com, and OPPO sent this to me for a quick review, unboxing review. This is my first time actually doing unboxing video for OPPO. For smartphone lovers, I think you should know about this model because this is OPPO's flagship model and one of the premium smartphones in the market right now. Let's do this, guys. So comes with the SIM card pin. This is the cover, transparent cover, and you will see the phone. Oh, so you get the 3 cameras at the back and 1 camera front here. I'm gonna unbox the remaining things. Maybe I'll do another proper review on the photography. Maybe I'll just take some of the macro shots at home since we can't go out right now. So over here in the box you can see the earphone and the charger. Oh, that's a huge charger. So this SuperVooc charger, you can charge your phone within minutes. So this is one of like the amazing things about the technology right now. You can charge phones like just minutes. Like back then you take hours, and over here it comes with the earphone. And the charging cable is here. So the phone is actually very nice to hold. It feels very long. There's 1 camera over here, 3 cameras at the back, and it's using Type-C. If not mistaken, here's the speaker, and the SIM card slot is here. So this is IP68, waterproof and dustproof. So it comes with the SIM 1, SIM 2. I'm really impressed with the screen resolution. I can't say much with the camera right now because I just unboxed this. Probably do a proper review on the camera. Maybe I can compare it with my other smartphone. Overall, I'm really impressed with this OPPO Find X2 Pro. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks OPPO for sending this. So I have a toy to play within this couple of weeks.